Hi, good day, Ma'am Flor de Lisa Sabong. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hello, Madam and Sir. I am Flordelisa Monzaga Sabong. I am 46 years old. I'm from Philippines. I have two kids, one boy, one girl, 13, 14 years old.
All right, thank you. And then what is your marital status? Are you single or married?
I am married but I'm separated with my ex-husband.
Okay. And then what is your educational background?
I am high school graduate.
Okay. And then do you have any brothers or sisters?
I have five brothers.
Okay. And then how would you describe yourself?
I describe myself for being loving mother, honest and kind. For my work, I'm flexible.
Okay. And
Thank you.
then may I know your reason why you want to apply abroad?
I want to go to abroad again because my child is going to high school and then I need to save the money for my future and my house. Thank you.
Okay. And then do you have any work experience abroad?
I have experience work in Dubai.
Okay. Okay. So do you have any work experience abroad?
Yes, madam. I have experience in Dubai. Household.
Okay. So when did you start working as domestic helper in Dubai?
I started in December 2021 to 2023.
All right. So did you finish your contract?
I'm not finished my contract, madam, because I have a problem with my family.
Okay. And then can you please tell me your duties and responsibilities as domestic helper in Dubai?
I am doing my job, ironing, washing, take care of baby, household, everything.
All right. Aside from that, do you have any work experience locally here in Philippines?
Yes, madam. I am working in Manila since April 2024 and 2026.
All right. So did you finish your contract?
Yes, madam.
Okay. So can you please tell me your duties and responsibilities working as household worker here in Philippines?
I do laundry, ironing, cooking, and take care of 5 years old baby. Going to school and back to school and back to home.
All right. And then, are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, I love dog and cats.
Okay. And then, do you have any food allergy?
No, madam.
Okay. And then, how do you describe your cooking skills?
I know how to cook adobo, minodo, sinigang na baboy, and giniling with egg, and vegetable. Thank you.
Okay. And then, are you willing to learn new dishes abroad?
Yes, ma'am, I'm willing to do.
All right. So, do you have the full consent of your family to go and work abroad?
Yes, madam.
Okay. So, do you promise not to use your cell phone during working hours?
Yes, madam.
Okay. So, do you promise to be honest and loyal to your employer?
Yes, I will do.
Okay. So, do you drink alcohol?
No, madam.
How about smoking?
No.
Okay. So, do you have any body tattoo?
No, madam.
Okay. So, do you have any history of surgery or serious sickness in the past?
No, madam.
All right. For the last question, Ma'am Flor de Liza, what is your final message to your future employer abroad?
Hello, madam. Good afternoon. I'm Flordelisa Monsaga Sabong. I'm 46 years old. I'm willing to finish my contract. I'm being honest and good employee to your house. Thank you so much, Madam and Sir.